friends, I am Sai Chaitanya. Welcome back to my channel Sai Techer. In this video, I'll be doing the fingerprint speed test between the POCO X2 versus the POCO X3 smartphone. As you can clearly see, I'm using the POCO X2 and the POCO X3 device. And let's see friends, which fingerprint scanner will be the faster. And one thing is that both phones, they do have the side mounted fingerprint scanner which is present in the side, as you can see here clearly. So this is the side mounted fingerprint scanner, and both are having the same kind of location placement as well. So let me try to place at same time. So slightly in the POCO X3 device, the fingerprint scanner is a little bit down, as you can see. So which is easily approachable for you in case if you are using the single hand device. So which should be very convenient in the POCO X3 device in case of the location of the fingerprint scanner. And in this video, I'll be trying to register my fingerprint, and let's see which phone will be able to register faster and which will be able to complete the test faster as well. And in case if you are wondering what wallpapers I'm using in my device for the punch hole mobile phones, so try to check the links in description for the playlist of wallpapers. Not only wallpapers, even there is a playlist available for the POCO X3 device, so where I uploaded already so many videos on this POCO X3 device. And let's get started with this fingerprint functionality, how you can actually add. So you need to go to the passwords and security. As soon as you in the passwords and security, you do get this kind of fingerprint scanner option. So now let me try to first add the fingerprint scanner in the POCO X3 device. As you can see, a POCO X3 I'm using. Let me try to add. As you can see friends, you'll get this kind of vibration as well whenever it detects the exact fingerprint as well when it's registering. You'll get very good haptic feedback as well when you are trying to do this test. So let's see in the POCO X2 how does it perform in terms of fingerprint scanning. Let me try to add the same finger. The POCO X2's vibration, even we do get that kind of vibration, but the vibration in the POCO X2 looks kind of cheap vibrations. So in the POCO X2, but in the POCO X3, the vibration is pretty good. You will get that kind of premium vibrations in my opinion. So now let me try to do the fingerprint scanning side-by-side test. So to do the test, I need to use the two phones. It's in different hands. So for my convenient, I'm trying to register this middle finger of my left hand. So it is very convenient for me to register. So let me try to do that one first. As you can see friends, I am trying to register my middle finger as well. So it's getting registered. So usually whenever I am holding the left hand, I'll try to prefer to use this finger every time. As you can see, it's done. So now let's get started with this speed test comparison between the fingerprint scanners. So now both phones are in switch off, like a screen was turned off, and let me try to start. As you can see friends, both also detected at same time, same fast as well. I feel the POCO X2 is slightly faster, I'm not sure why. So let me try again. So one thing is that you don't need to even press this power button, you just need to place the hand finger, that's it. It will automatically unlock. As you can see friends. So overall friends, both phones, they do have the very good, very fast fingerprint scanning as well. So now let me try to show you what are the different options you do get in terms of the fingerprint functionality. So here is that you do have this kind of option which is a fingerprint recognition just by pressing touch or just by pressing the power button. I prefer to use the touch only, so it's easy every time. You don't need to press the power button and damaging the button as well. So next is you can use the fingerprint scanner for the app lock as well, which I'll be trying to do another video on the app lock functionality. So make sure to follow me regularly in case if you want to know more details about the app lock as well. So these are the few options you do get in the POCO X3 device, and for more videos make sure to follow me regularly, and see you in the next video friends. Until then, bye.